In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use project templates in Asana. If you're new to templates or just want a faster, more consistent way to spin up projects, this walkthrough will get you moving with confidence. Start by heading to the top left of your Asana window and clicking the plus icon labeled Create, then choose Project. This tells Asana you're making a new workspace for tasks, timelines, and collaboration. Using a template here is the smartest way to avoid rebuilding the same structure over and over. On the setup screen, select Use a Template. Instead of starting from scratch, this option loads a proven framework so you don't have to reinvent sections, tasks, or fields. It's especially helpful for repeatable workflows like onboarding, campaign launches, sprints, or event planning. Now choose where your template comes from. You'll see two main sources: library templates, which are created by Asana and cover a wide range of best practice setups, and custom templates, which are created by people on your team and tailored to your organization's processes. Library templates are great when you need a solid baseline or inspiration. Custom templates shine when your team has already agreed on a structure, naming style, and fields that fit exactly how you work. Each template typically includes a short description of what's inside, so use that to match the template to your goal. Once you've picked the right fit, click Use Template. This applies the structure to your new project, carrying over things like sections, example tasks, and any custom fields the template includes. It's a quick way to ensure consistency across teams and reduce setup mistakes. Before you finalize, give the project a clear descriptive name, then click Create Project. A strong name makes the project easy to find and understand at a glance. Consider including context like the initiative, team, time frame, or client. For example, something like Q2 product launch or client onboarding. April helps everyone instantly recognize what the project is for. That's all it takes. You clicked Create and chose Project, selected Use a Template, picked either a library or custom template, hit Use Template, and named the project before creating it. As soon as it opens, you'll see the pre-built structure ready to go, which saves you time and sets a consistent standard for your team's work. If you repeat similar projects regularly, templates are the fastest path to reliable results and smoother collaboration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save by building new projects from templates